I want to show you 10 simple things that I do in your home that will make your home feel elevated. It's not going to break the bank. They're going to be really simple, really easy. Let's get into the video. Number 1, wrap your toilet paper in beautiful napkins, right? I have a bathroom hack to show you guys using this and this. And I got this idea from TikTok, and the moment I got it, I was like, I need to do it because I have a powder room here that I have no storage in. It's just the pedestal sink and nowhere else, and I think it is so important to have the extra toilet paper in the bathroom, but I didn't want to do the regular rack and stuff that we all see. So this way just allow you to make such a functional thing look beautiful, and to enhance that experience for me, the exact napkin that I wrap the toilet paper in, it's the same type of napkins I leave in the bathroom so my guests can use it to dry their hands, because I just don't like the idea of everyone using the same towel to wash and dry their hands. And to make this more fun and interesting, change these up with the season. So this is my fall one that I buy, and I have I got maybe like 6 or 7 pack of these because I want this to be the one I use throughout the fall season. And then now I'm on the hunt to find some for Christmas. So as I'm hosting, my guests will see the vibe, and I'll use the same towels throughout the bathroom. So try it and let me know, and tell me if you've done this before, because it's really, really cute and really, really fun. Number 2 and 3, because they go together. Fresh flowers, right? And when I say fresh flowers, I think sometimes we're so in the mode and the safe space of, oh, let's just get some roses, you know? And if you decide to get roses, get like a fun color, like orange, like bright pink. Let's step back from the white and try different things. Another option I would say as well is go to Trader Joe's, because Trader Joe's have a wide variety of flowers, very inexpensive. Get monochromatic colors if you're not comfortable making your own bouquet, and use those to kind of create something beautiful and that's visually appealing, right? Get unique stems to just be beautiful. Along the side of getting fresh flowers, get some unique vases. Oh my gosh, nothing bugs me more than seeing a beautiful arrangement in a very clear glass vase with no unique shape or nothing to it. A few months ago, JB bought me the most beautiful bouquet I've ever seen. Got it delivered here, stunning. And the vase was clear. And I was like, I think sometimes that, even though the flowers are stunning, I love it, babe, love the flowers, send me another one. The vase just didn't elevate how the arrangement looks. So I'm saying, unique vases, please florists, please. When it comes to unique vases, I love going to the thrift store to find some vintage inspired one. I bought a few from our house. I bought this beautiful black and white one from Home Goods. Then I have this marble one right here. So I know that we can find these unique vases at different price point. But I would beg to say, use the vases to elevate the flowers, right? Whether it be faux or fresh. The vase is so important. There's one I'm hunting, not hunting, there's one I see on Amazon. It's chrome. And I think I'm going to get it for myself because I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to get it. I think I'm going to get it. I saw it in Monroe Steed Home, and I'm like, girl, I need that. But I just need for us to know that to have an elevated home is not. It's not hard. It's very simple. And as you guys can tell, as I keep on going, you gotta realize, but girl, Natty, I can do that. Of course you can. Follow the sky. You can do it. And next tip is, and I have my phone, so I'm looking down, is wallpaper. Most of us, if we're not into design, just leave the ceiling by itself. Girl, let's get in that ceiling and do something fun. Add some wallpaper, right? Something bold, something with texture, something with movement, okay? Add a beautiful chandelier. something that is unique in shape, something that is oversized in a small room, yummy. Add some trim. All those things I'm tending to do, I have in my home and I've done in projects. As I'm sitting right here, remember this chandelier I bought a few months ago. Oversized, but because it's oversized in a small space, it just stands out, and I love that. In my dining room, I have the wallpaper in the ceiling. In my office, it's color drenched. In my bedroom, it's color drenched, and also have a copper ceiling. We need interesting things to look at to help bring visual appeal. When you see a home that is elevated, I think we can agree that it's because, oh my gosh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, how you did that? Oh my gosh, girl, I want to do that. It makes you, ooh, I'm interested. That's all it is. That's all it is. Towels. Let's get away from the plain white towels. Let's get some stripes. Let's get some waffle textures. Let's get some a little bit of fringe to it, a little bit of movement. I know that white is beautiful. White is chic. White is giving luxury. But if everybody has white towels, where's the interest? Where's the fun? Where's the personality? If you choose to keep white, try and find another color that goes with the color scheme. It's white, so you can definitely do any other color if you want to do it. What about a black and cream? What about polka dots? Just have fun with your towels. Have fun. It's the bathroom, girl. Have fun in there. You know what I mean? Don't. Candles, scent. In an elevated home, and I love to, when people talk to me or want to hire me to do a project, I always ask them, what's your inspiration? If you had the opportunity to go to a particular store, where would you go? And why would you go there? Most times I'm getting RH, Our House, I'm getting CB2, I'm getting some other smaller design stores here in the DMV area, and the reason why they like it is because when you walk in there, you're like, oh, it smells good. Of course, the furniture look amazing. But what I'm saying, that having scent in your home is such a beautiful thing. Right now, I'm in the process of trying to create my own custom scent, my own personalized scent in my home, and that just means whatever scent that makes me feel good right now, that's what I want to have in my home, especially in the holiday season when you're gonna have people coming over, going in. I want to have a signature scent. I know that at times to get luxury candle can be very pricey. I know that. I love them too, girl. But you can also find some good one at TJ Maxx. This one right here, I just found it. I love it. I'm gonna share with you. This one is by the brand, I think it's called Prius. They also make paper in a sense like cards, notebook, notepads. That's the brand. This candle is eucalyptus, teakwood, and jasmine. And the reason why I bought this is because I'm loving teakwood, I'm loving sandalwood, I'm loving those kind of deep, I don't want to say manly scent, but it's a very aggressive scent. But I like when it's toned down with jasmine, with eucalyptus, with something lighter. And as I'm burning this, I do love it. I do love the scent as well. It's really, really good. Another way, kind of dark. Another way that I incorporate scent is having diffusers throughout my home. I have maybe 6 or 7 diffusers that I have. I have 2 in the basement. I have 2 on the main level. I have 1 upstairs. I have it in my office with the same oils going constantly, but I have different timers. So the one in the basement might be 2 hours, the one here might be 4. So there's always some sort of scent going through my home. So when I leave and come back, it's still welcoming, and I just feel like, So don't be intimidated by the luxury brand candles. You see what I'm saying? Get you some, find your stuff from Home Goods, or I think sometimes it's good to make your mistakes with a lower price, and at least you can know the scent you're looking for. So remember to invest in a nicer candle. You know for a fact it needs to have this note, that note, and then I can go ahead and make a purchase. You know what I mean? But definitely, you need to have scent in your home to kind of help you build and feel what you want to feel. Okay? Another way, of course, our elevated home is you got to start outside. I know the video is a little bit not in a particular order. You got to start outside, honey, because you're outdoors, set the tone of what's going to come inside, right? Make sure your grass is cut. Make sure there's no trash at your door. Put a mat down. Get a read. Having those things, it just, I don't know, I just feel like, think about this. What's the best example to do that? Sometimes we buy things based on people's recommendation. We get influenced, right? Because someone tells you something. That's your home. That's outside. Outside tells me something about inside. Sometimes it can be wrong. But the tone starts outside. But for me, what I do I want to say every time, gotta be a lie. When the season change, the doormat changes, the reed changes. I have someone that comes and cut my grass every Saturday or Sunday, I believe. I think it's Saturday. That's important. Every season, you gotta make sure your lawn is taken care of. Is it expensive? Girl, it is. But I personally love to have a beautiful curb appeal. That's just me as just Natty. If you live in an apartment, your front door is your curb appeal, right? So you gotta make sure, again, it's well swept. You have the rugs, you have the reed, maybe a little faux plant or something. But that just sets the tone of when you open the door. That's just set the tone of when you open the door. Whew, I'm home. And you do these things for you, not necessarily for your neighbor, not necessarily for Tom, you do that for you, right? Because you deserve to come home to a beautiful space. It's all about you deserving an elevated home, not Natty, not you. When you make you the focus of why you choose to shop how you shop, live how you live, it's you. It's you. Music. When JB and I was building this house 10 years ago, JB was so adamant about having, what is it called? A speaker system, surround sound in this house. And I didn't see the value of it then. It was very expensive. And I was like, we could use that money somewhere else. Real talk. But now that we've been here and how much I've used this Sonos system in this house, it's been amazing. I'm the kind of girl where when I decide to clean, give me some Beanie Man all day. Beanie Man all day. I will clean this house from top to bottom. I will rebuild the sucker if I have to. But give me Beanie Man. I love a vibe. When I'm hosting anything, I love to play the music throughout the house. Turn down very low. And it just set the tone. When you think about elevated, think about when you go to a beautiful restaurant or a beautiful hotel and you enter the lobby. Music, scent, flowers. Everything is just visually appealing and it's like, it's welcoming. And I think for me anyway, elevated also means welcoming, and it's just all about experience. So if you don't have a surround sound system, that's okay, girl. Go to YouTube, find your favorite videos, play them, create a playlist. Another thing you can do is also go to YouTube TV, just go to YouTube, girl, and find you some backdrop with music. It's a vibe. It is a vibe. Great. If you don't go to YouTube, get your phone, get your speaker, set it up, and just vibe it out. Vibe it out. Okay? I think I've given 10. Have I given 10? Next is my newest obsession. And I think it's going to be here for a minute. Are mini lamps. I cannot tell you how much I love these things. It's ridiculous. I think in total, I might have 10. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I have a lot. Again, I went somewhere. I love the experience. I'm like, I need that. Mini lamps are good. I've seen the designers putting them on the coffee table, outside, outdoor dining. It's a vibe. On your built-in, vibe. Kitchen counter, vibe. It's just a vibe anyway. A little nook, vibe. And they're cheap. I've seen mini lamps $10, and I've seen them as high, maybe $200. But honey, the variation is there. Have fun with it. Have fun with it, girl, because I love a vibe, and I love an affordable vibe. But real talk though, as we go into Christmas, the holiday season, think about doing a tablescape in your dining table with maybe like the mini lamps. Turn them down. Beautiful arrangement. Get it. Do it. Now the only kicker to these mini lamps is that you have to take them. They have to be charged. But if you know what you're going to do, charge them before time and then use them. Like, it just came to my attention, and I think I just talked about this in my last video. It seemed like I have to stay home this Christmas. And we were supposed to go to Hawaii, but I think we have to stay home because something came up that we have to take care of within that time frame. And I think that idea of a mini lamp on my dining table would look good. I also have the mini lamps in my bathroom, so when guests are coming over, I get it charged up, turn it down. I have a little speaker, I have music in the bathroom. It's such a vibe. I promise you, these things that I'm sharing with you is stuff that I'm doing in my home, and I'm doing it in my client's home. I'm doing a project next month, and I'm transforming like a living room into like a Friendsgiving area. And best believe I got some mini lamps to help, with the tablescape to help with the entire experience for my clients' friends. But that's all I got. All these tips are simple. It's nothing for you to be intimidated by. And I'm not saying just doing these things alone how to transform your space. And if you don't like it, baby girl, don't do it, right? But in all honesty though, your home is your sanctuary. Your home is where you want to feel peaceful. And I think if you do some of these things, right, along with other things that make you feel good, I think you will love what you build. Don't be intimidated by what you see online. In all reality, we just need a foundation. We just need a start. We need a starter kit. And if you follow these things, these 10 things right here, it will give you a good guide to what it is. I'm going to put these 10 things together in like a little checklist thing, and I'm going to create it and put it somewhere on the video or link it below or something, because I just feel like sometimes you just need a good foundation. I'm so fortunate to be able to have clients who want to work with me to come in their home and transform their space. And I promise you, if you talk to another designer or someone who does home transformation, they would definitely testify and solidify that these 10 things are so important. Of course, there might be more, but this is a good base. If you have any other suggestion, let me know below, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Let's comment and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.